Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing ClickUp, Monday, Notion, and Asana to figure out which project management and automation tool really stands out as the ultimate choice right now. ClickUp is known for its all-in-one approach: tasks, docs, goals, and time tracking under one roof. It's powerful, flexible, and great for teams that want everything centralized. Monday focuses on simple, colorful workflows that make tracking projects fun and easy to manage. Notion combines notes, databases, and tasks into one customizable workspace, perfect for people who love flexibility. And Asana has been a staple for years, offering structured task management with excellent collaboration features. From our experience, ClickUp shines in versatility but can feel overwhelming with too many features. Monday is extremely user friendly, but sometimes lacks depth for complex projects. Notion is endlessly customizable, but if you don't enjoy building your own system, it can feel like extra work. Asana is reliable and polished, but doesn't innovate as much compared to newer tools. So which is ultimate? If you want a powerhouse, ClickUp takes the crown. For visual simplicity, Monday wins. For creative flexibility, Notion is unmatched. And for teams that just need solid, no fuss collaboration, Asana is still a strong pick. This has been how to literally where we keep things smart and simple and scam free.